Hello, what's poppin', y'all? How y'all doing? Welcome back to my channel. If y'all already know, y'all can go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and click that like button. Go ahead and do what it do. Turn on those post notifications on. As you can see, I got a special video in store for you guys. I'm gonna teach y'all how to make my version of Crunchwrap Supremes, okay? So that means that this Crunchwrap is gonna be 100% dairy and lactose free. I'm gonna show y'all how to make a homemade, thick, full Crunchwrap Supreme. Because if y'all been to Taco Bell before, honey, them motherfuckers like to skimp on the Crunchwrap Supremes. They love putting a little bit of the ground beef, just a tiny little bit of ground beef on there and just smacking it together. They don't be filling that shit up enough. So we gonna make our own and we gonna put our own fillings in there and make sure it's full and it's fill us up, okay? So I hope y'all are ready because I'm about to show y'all what y'all gonna need first. I'm gonna show y'all what type of pots and pans that'll be ideal to make this Crunchwrap Supreme. And I'm gonna show y'all the seasonings and everything that we're gonna be putting into it, okay? So this dairy-free Crunchwrap Supreme, baby, let's get it. We need flour tortillas, come on now, street taco tortillas, some dairy-free, probiotic, plant-based, dairy-free sour cream. Also gonna need some ground beef, okay? Next, what you're gonna wanna get is, you're gonna wanna get some dairy-free cheese. The ones that I usually use, that I've been using for my Crunchwraps, is also Go Veggie plant-based cheddar. We also have our Pico de Gallo mild salsa. You definitely need fajitas, okay? Tostadas are a very big part of the Crunchwrap Supremes, okay? This is what makes the Crunchwrap Supreme crunch, okay? Iceberg lettuce really helps with making that crunch, giving that crunch to the Crunchwrap Supreme. Some kernel corn, some sweet corn. If you want to add that to your Crunchwrap, you can add rice. I will not be adding rice. The thing that's going to be going into the Crunchwrap Supremes, obviously, is taco seasoning, onion powder, minced garlic. You can use garlic powder or minced garlic. We're going to be using the minced garlic today. Tabitha Brown has some really good seasonings. Tajin, I like calling it tajin, but it's tahini. This is the one that I'm going to be using to add some spice to it, is cayenne pepper. We're going to be using parsley flakes. So I'm going to be using some mixed up salt. Adobo, I'm going to use a little bit of the adobo. Again, I'm not going to use too much of these seasonings. It's going to all complement each other. Also, black pepper, cilantro along with the parsley. It's just going to add a good garnish for the top of the stuff. Cilantro and parsley are really good to add to meats and stuff. The pots and the pans. This first pan is going to be used to grind the beef. This little bitty, little mini cute little saucepan right here is going to be used for the cheese. This is a very useful tool, you guys. If you guys do not have a pancake maker or pancake flipper at home, I suggest you get one of these to go ahead and make your Crunchwrap Supreme, because this is very easy. This makes making Crunchwrap Supreme so easy. If it wasn't for this, I'll probably be using this to make my Crunchwrap, to flip my Crunchwrap Supreme. to go sit down and enjoy my mother Crunchwrap Supreme homemade darling. Y'all got to see what it's giving. So I added the tostadas on the top because I like mine extra crunchy. I hope you guys have a great day. I hope y'all enjoy your homemade Crunchwrap Supreme that you nicely prepared today. I hope you enjoy making Crunchwrap Supremes with me today because I sure as hell have fun. I always have fun cooking. So I hope you guys enjoy your dairy-free Crunchwrap Supremes. All right, y'all, have a good one. Peace.
You got the real still, being the real.
I'm a child of God, baby. That's a really big deal, dog. Some people
lying, they still.
But the real going ground for they meals.
real recognize real.